As COVID cases see an uptick across the country, several states have tightened the noose to mitigate the spread of the virus during the festive season. The Maharashtra government has issued new guidelines amidst Omicron surge. The state government introduced and announced night curfew. Gathering of over 5 people in public places across the state is prohibited from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. 50% capacity for gyms, spa, hotels, theatres, cinema halls has also been announced. Night curfew also returns in UP. Between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m., cap on the number of people attending events like marriage has been limited to 200. COVID curbs have been extended till 31st of December in national capital. Ban to continue social and cultural gatherings. No New Year Eve parties in Delhi this year. Haryana and Madhya Pradesh have imposed night curfew from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Gujarat government has announced to extend the night curfew in 8 major cities till 31st December. 415 cases of Omicron variant have been reported across 17 states in India, of which 117 people have already recovered from the infection, according to the Health Ministry. Pankaj and Suryagini are both joining us live for the latest. First, taking this across to Pankaj, who's joining us from the financial capital. Pankaj, what are the curbs in place? Mumbai is a party city, and of course, Omicron variant is playing havoc and spoil sport on plans for New Year Eve parties now.
Yes, so as far as Mumbai is concerned, Chaiti, there's going to be no New Year's Eve party. And the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has said that strict action is going to be taken under the Disaster Management Act and also the IPC if the rules are flouted. BMC has maintained that be it any function, program, celebration, social gathering, none of this is allowed, whether it's enclosed space or whether it is open space as well. Already Section 144 is imposed since till the midnight of 31st of December. And also from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., not more than 5 people can gather at one place. The idea behind this is because many people thought they could gather around the beaches or the tourist hotspots of Mumbai in the night time, but that too has been banned as well. No functions, be it social, religious or political in nature, can be organized, but prior permission needs to be taken from the Assistant Commissioner of the respective wards as well. And here again, the BMC and the state government has made it clear that if rules are flouted, that strict action is going to be taken. Now, this also is very, very significant because healthcare workers are maintaining that the cases are going to rise in January and February as well. So this becomes all the more important that rules are abided by. Yesterday itself, Mumbai has recorded more than 700 cases. Maharashtra has recorded yet again more than 1,400 cases. 2 new cases of Omicron have come in, which has taken the tally to around 110. Mumbai itself has 46 Omicron cases now. So the situation is pretty grim in Mumbai and Maharashtra. As it is, we know that Maharashtra has been one of the worst affected states since the beginning of the pandemic now. And so abiding by these rules and regulations becomes all the more important. And the state government and the healthcare workers are maintaining that this is a collective responsibility and one has to realize the seriousness of the situation.
All right, hold on right there. Suryagini Roy reporting from Kolkata as well. Suryagini, what are the restrictions in place in Kolkata ahead of the surge that we're seeing and possibly a larger surge that we might see on the back of the Omicron variant?
Well, Chaiti, at a time when multiple states and multiple major cities throughout the country are calling for, various restrictions, especially night curfews, so that people cannot get out and, lead to massive crowding. West Bengal government has taken another stand. They have lifted the night curfew for the last week of December. That is the week that started from 24th and is going to continue till the 31st. So come here in West Bengal and you will not see a night curfew over here. And that has led to crowding at various places last night itself. Because it was 24th and on 24th Eve and on 25th itself, 25th Eve and on 25th itself, there was no lockdown. So a lot of people did come out. The government stand is pretty simple that people need to be, aware and they need to wear masks and they need to maintain social distancing. But, if there are no restrictions, how would people even maintain a social distancing? That is the biggest question right now. Even though it's been 2 days where the night curfew has been lifted and there have been images of crowding at various spots, the government may review their decision and, come up with an alternative so that the situation doesn't get out of hand and lead to a major crisis. Back to you, Chaiti.
Absolutely. Hold on right there. Thanks for joining us for the very latest details. Continue to stay on with us.